Namaste dosto, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'll be talking about some features of daybook. Being an accounting student, you must be aware of these shortcuts, and if you are aware, then when you are presenting the report to your senior, it becomes very easy, and to make comparison and for decision making also, these shortcuts are very useful. So let's not waste the time. So this is gateway of tally. By pressing D, I'm going to daybook, again D. Okay, so first shortcut is Alt F1. Alt F1 is for detailed or condensed report. Okay, see, I pressed Alt F1, then you got detail of every transaction here only. Okay, again I'm pressing Alt F1 to condense the report. Okay, this was for shortcut. Another is F2. Okay, you can change the date or filter date period from here. Alt F2 is to change the period and F2 is to change the date. Okay, so date wise transaction also you can see and period wise also. So I wanted to filter as per period. These many transactions I got. Okay, 3 shortcuts I already told: Alt F1, F2 and Alt F2. Now next one is F4. F4 you can navigate from here also, or you can press from your keyboard also. Okay, see, if I want to check all contra vouchers, I can check from here. Okay, so F4 was to see the type of transaction in a specific voucher type. If you want to see, then F4 you can use. Then Alt F12. For filtering, like we use filter insert. Similarly, you can filter the transfer requirement. Okay, so having go down name. Okay, starting with S. Okay, office. So as a contra voucher, as it won't appear here. So again I'll do having go down name, starting with S. Okay, end of list. Guide 3. Now let me go inside the. Oh, why it's not focusing? Okay, so friends, hope you got my point. Thank you. Friends, I'll cover trial balance shortcuts also in this video. So let's go to gateway tile by pressing escape. Trial balance, display reports. This is gateway of tile, display more reports. Just D, orderly you can navigate from keyboard. Trial balance first or you press T. Okay, this is our trial balance. You can see your top. Okay, now let's move to shortcuts. Again, first shortcut is Alt F1 to see details or report. To see details of the report. Okay, see, you can see in current liabilities there are 2 sub items: duties and taxes and sundry debtors. Okay, again I'm pressing Alt F1 to condense the report. Okay, so Alt F1. Again F2 was for date and period. Third one is F5, ledger wise detail. If you want, then you can check here, ledger wise or group wise. Okay, if you want a report as per name of ledger, you can press F5, or if you want group wise, like fixed asset, in fixed asset so many ledgers are there, no? Okay, you can see here. But I want group wise. Okay, Alt C again to add new column. Okay, new column added. Alt A to alter the column details which you added. Suppose I want from April to May 23. Okay. Okay. Alt D is to delete the column you added. Column is deleted. Okay. Alt N again. This shortcut is also common. I want monthly report. This is educational mode of Tally. So too many entries are not there. Whatever was relevant for understanding the concept, I showed only those entries. I made only those entries. Okay. And in educational mode, all we cannot record entries on all the dates. Only selected dates we can record entries, like 1st and 30th. And one more is there, I just don't remember, but 1st and 30th you can't make entry on 31st or any other date. Alt F12, let me press and check what is happening. Yeah, again you can. Alt F12 is for filtering. Okay. Then F12 is for configuration. You can always change the configuration. Okay. I want to see opening balances. Thank you friends, hope you are finding these videos useful, because see, practically I have seen use of all these.